Best way to make money online idea. App testing. Test and provide feedback on mobile app and website for usability. Remote data entry. Perform data entry tasks for company remotely. Voice acting. Offer voice over service for video, commercial and more. Automated dropshipping. Set up automated dropshipping store using tool like Uberlo. Remote project management. Manage project for business and organization remotely. Printable template. Design and sell printable template for various purposes. Online health coaching. Provide online health and well coaching service. Remote customer support. Offer customer support service to business from home. Remote legal service. Offer legal service online such as contact review or consulting. Voice lesson. Teach singing or voice lesson online. Virtual real estate agent. Assist client to buying and selling property online. Remote HR consulting. Provide human resource consulting service to business remotely. IT support. Offer IT support and troubleshooting service remotely. Interior design. Offer interior design service online. Fashion styling. Become a virtual fashion styling and provide style advice online. Marketing research. Conduct marketing research and analyze for business remotely. Video editing. Provide video editing service for content creation. Nutrition counseling. Offer online nutrition counseling and meal planning service.